Hi, I'm Priya, Customer Success Manager here at Hut 6, and in this new series, I'm going to show you how to build a case for security awareness training. Welcome to Recipes for Success. For today's recipe, we're going to be looking at building a case for security awareness. The ingredients you need are stakeholder buy-in, a budget for security awareness, and finally, a security awareness solution or partner. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to put all these ingredients together. Here's one I did earlier. Security awareness training is often a neglected part of security programs. Common objections include lack of perceived value, poor past experiences, or it's treated like a tick in the box exercise. Step 1 is all about convincing them otherwise. Security awareness training can protect you from financial and reputational damage. It can help you achieve compliance with standards like ISO 27001, GDPR, Cyber Essentials, SOC 2, and others. It educates people to make the right choices when faced with cyber threats at work and at home. To communicate this benefit, consider how a security awareness training solution will impact stakeholder groups and tailor your message to them. You can provide industry-specific case studies that your chosen vendor will be able to help you with. When demonstrating your product, get the stakeholders involved. This will help key individuals draw conclusions of their own and eliminate any doubts. Step 2. Budgeting can be easy, but it needs to be done at the right time. You should discuss a budget for security awareness early and often to ensure that it's on the agenda. To help back your budget, calculate the costs of not implementing a cybersecurity awareness program and the effects this could have on your organisation. Step 3. There are many security awareness solutions out there. Map out what's important to your organisation. What solution will help eliminate the risks and solve the problems that you have. We advise trialling your chosen solution before making any final decisions to ensure that it impresses your users and meets your stakeholder requirements. Security awareness training reduces your risk of a successful cyber attack. But more than that, it enables your people to identify, avoid, and report cyber threats. We empower people to improve their cybersecurity, not just at work, but also at home. Find your solution, build your case, and protect your people. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Comment below on what you might like to see next. Bye!
Train, test and track your information security culture with Hut 6.